How to make shower in melon playground hack. Very, very cool. I mean, not a hack.
a video.
Yeah.
That's not.
Not a hack though, but very, very cool. So you need to pause this and then you need this. Freeze. Then this.
Even more bigger.
Then this. Then this.
Oh yeah.
And then this. And then this. Okay, so then press play. And there you go. It made it. Very cool, right? Yeah, very cool. And next is an oven. OMG. So you need pause.
Now.
And then this. And then this. I know you guys will complain. Maybe some of you won't. Need glass.
Then. Now. You need.
And then you need this. Then press play. OMG!
You don't actually need these, guys.
Cool. Next one is oh yes, a fridge. Okay, so a fridge is really easy. You need pause.
Gonna have to.
And then press play. Wapa!